Hello and welcome to another of Squall's product reviews. Today we're reviewing Nature Valley Roasted Nut Crunch Almond Crunch, roasted almonds, peanuts, and sunflower seeds. Gluten-free, 6 grams of protein, 190 calories per bar. And because I bike a whole lot, those calories are going to be gotten rid of very quickly. Okay, ingredients: almonds, roasted peanuts, sugar, sunflower seeds, corn syrup, yellow corn flour, salt, corn oil, calcium carbonate, color added, tocopherol added to retain freshness. Contains almond, peanut, and sunflower. May contain soy ingredients. Distributed by General Mills, out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Gluten-free, we already covered that. And they got a Facebook and they got a Twitter. Where do you take your bar? Up my hindquarters. That's where I take it. No, that's dangerous. I do not suggest that. That is not advice. But here's the fun fact. If you ingest alcohol through your hindquarters, you will get drunk faster. There is also a chance you may die. So I would not suggest doing that either. Alright, so first of all, I like the packaging. Good color. And it goes with the scheme. What's the theme? And packaging is easy to open, which I like. Oh yes, I really like granola bar packaging because it's so easy. But then we get to the good stuff. Oh, look at that! That's so delicious looking, so delicious. But see, again we have the problem where it breaks apart upon traversing. So when you're out camping or out doing outside activities and you have these in your bag, you'll probably end up with something like this. And if you don't pull out, you might end up with a lot of kids. So yes. So, alright, so yes. This looks really good. It looks really good. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, that tastes good. And it broke apart easy, all the nuts and the sunflower and stuff like that. A qualm though is that it takes a lot of time to chew, and when you're finally done chewing it, and well, when you're done masticating it and swallowing it, sending it down your food hole, there's still detritus left over in your mouth. I've got a peanut shell in there. I've got little pieces of nuts that I've decided to hide in my mouth cavity. Come on, get out of there. But anyway, Squall gives us a thumbs up. He recommends it. Granola or Valley. You got a good product here. You just need to remove some of the detriments. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Take care of yourself and have a great day.